Hey guys, Kai here. There is a trailer for Wolfcoon. This is the Wolfcoon channel. These are the subscribers that we have. Here's Kai and Ollie. And this is what's gonna be like on the channel. Like this. Roblox. Ooh. Google Feud. Like this. Cookie clicker. So, what do you think about the channel? What do you think about it? You don't like it? You sure? Or do you like it? Say in the comments, do you like this channel art? Tell me and Ollie. See you guys. Stay awesome. Like everything that we do. Subscribe. Stay awesome. Become part of Wolfcoon. Peace out.